See if we can pull this old fence post out of here. Or what's left of it. I think this is gonna work. I could be totally wrong though. Rim's sinking in the mud already. Oh, nope. The good news, those posts were not cemented in. So, I already got one stuck in. Gonna have to go down the line and do the others too. I know that's leaning down there a little bit. There's nothing I can really do about it other than try to push it back without breaking it. Hopefully we'll have it up soon and looking good again.